Picture yourself in the 2019 Ford Explorer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener. Don't miss the chance to drive home in this handsome and versatile Explorer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.